this is back to Pro Take. That looks good. Very good. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm doing the test. I have a 67 millimeter neutral density filter that's rated at 10 stops. ISO right now is very high. Of course, the torch ain't on. Okay, so right now the regular camera is running, and that's copper bar. Here's the copper bar. Here's my tool that I use for setting it up. One knob, Janoga, one knob, and everything loosens up. Everything. This, and you can move everything. This is a special attachment. Here, cranks tight. It's the CK Whirl Flex Lock torch. Here's my machine. So water cooled torch. This is a PowerTig 315 LX right here. This big water cooler on the bottom. Okay. All right, NBC brand. It's a spin lock chuck, model SL-3. This is a very expensive machine. And it has a purge. So I could put this in the shaft and hook a hog onto it, and purge if I'm doing a tube, you know, like if I'm doing something like this, for example, you know. I could have purged this. Of course, I would have had a cap off the front. Out of focus. There you go. All right, that's the setup. Right now it's running. I'm turning the ring. I'm also looking at the focus. Seems to be pretty good. Right here seems to be pretty good. Focus right now seems to be pretty good. ISO is 427. Shutter speed is 1/17/280. Wow. That seems to be okay. ISO is 427, and I'm going to remove the filter. Filter's off. Seems to be good. Seems to be good right now. Shutter is very fast, I guess you could call it. Alright, I'm going to stop it. Alright, I got the big neutral density filter, 67 millimeter. This is supposed to be a 10 notch. ISO right now 54. ISO 125. That seems to be okay. 88 amps. 88 amps. ISO 50. ISO 50 right now. Let's see if I could zoom it in. Zoom out. Focus. Focus is auto. I zoom in. Very good. Let me lower the amperage. That's 60 amps. 60 amps right now. ISO. ISO 456. Shutter 1/50th. Not bad. Not bad at all. 32 amps on the machine. Alright, this is back to Pro Take. That looks good. Very good. I'm happy with that.